What's up, blockheads? We are in a garage today. We're here at DitY Auto Garage, which stands for Do It Yourself Auto Repair. But basically the way this is set up, it's like a co-op, I guess, garage. You guys know, like a co-op motorcycle garage. You can come in, you can rent out one of their lifts. You can either do like a full lift, you can just do like, use this area if you want. They'll rent out the tools to you. They've got like some common use tools, common area tools. And yeah, pretty cool spot. I love the idea of it. So this is Junior, owner.
I am Junior the owner. Yes.
Junior the owner, DitY Auto Repair. You guys are located here in Kissimmee. You guys have been in business 10 years.
That's correct.
When did you come up with the idea for?
Well, I was in the military for 20 years. My dad was in the military for 21 years, and we always fixed our vehicles on post. So every major military installation has what they call the craft shop or automotive repair shop.
That's what you were just talking about.
Talking about that in Pendleton. We use it in Pendleton. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
he's a vet.
Yeah, every major installation has one.
Okay.
So I grew up with my dad working on cars, and then when I went into the military, I also did all the stuff on my cars at the shop on post.
Nice.
So when I retired, there was an opportunity for my brother, who was also military and retired. He became a mechanic after he retired, and a friend of his, where he was working for, had a heart attack, passed away. His widow said, "Hey, I don't want the shop. If you make me an offer, you can keep it." So he came to me and we made a partnership. The only twist that I told him was, hey, if we're gonna do this, I want to add the do-it-yourself side, because we've grown up with this all our lives.
Yeah.
I've got 3 brothers in the military, or have been in the military. My son was in the military, my father, my grandfather. So it's been a military culture, and we always were at the shops like this on post. So we put the twist in, we got some lawyers to agree, we got an insurance company to agree, and then we said, okay, let's do this. And so we started this 10 years ago. I survived mostly on full service repair, however, because nobody knows the do-it-yourself shop exists.
I didn't know about it, yeah.
So if you don't know it exists, you don't think about it.
Yeah, we heard it was word of mouth. How we
it is word of mouth. 85% of my customers come in because of word of mouth.
Yeah.
The other 15% is ex-military guys that think, hey, I wonder where the closest military installation is.
You know how to look for it.
Exactly. You think of it because it exists, but in the local population, it doesn't exist. So you don't think about it intuitively. I do get a lot of Canadians. Because in Canada, they do have the concept.
Oh, yeah.
So they're all over the place. So when Canadians come down from Canada to Disney, or to the parks here in Orlando, they break down or something happens, and their first instinct is to, I wonder where the closest do-it-yourself shop is.
Right.
And they do it.
That's corporate America. Nobody, people don't get paid for that. So
exactly.
So yeah, take it to a shop. Have somebody else do it for you.
Exactly. This is the concept is foreign to people. They don't think about it. But word of mouth, again, is mostly how I get new do-it-yourselfers here in the shop.
Yeah, I posted on Instagram, and I basically said, like, I'm wanting to get so much stuff done to the Tacoma. Like, I've got a bunch of parts in that I need to do work to it, and I usually work on my own stuff. But like I said, my garage, it's a small 1-car garage. I've got 7 motorcycles in it. I work on bikes, but I've worked on cars previously. I just didn't have the room, and so somebody was like, DitY Auto Repair, and I was like, what is that?
Heck is
that? And so I looked it up, and I'm like, oh, no way. They're like close to Orlando. You guys are like 20 minutes down the turnpike. So
not that far.
Here we are.
I have people that come here from Jacksonville.
Really?
I have people that come from Tampa.
Do you guys have any other locations, or this is
No, this is the only one. Our intent was to create this wonderful thing that everybody's going to save money on, but for 10 years, it's only about 10% of my business is do-it-yourself market.
Yeah.
So we've concentrated more on what's bringing me the the bread and butter,
the full service,
which is the full service.
And you keep this alive through that.
It doesn't matter how much money I spend on advertising, unless I have a celebrity that has millions that can flood the market.
We're close right now with you.
Any one of you that are in the Central Florida area, an interesting comment. Now that I'm in Central Florida, I had a guy fly from California because his parents had a Lincoln Continental, and all 4 of the airbags of his car went dead. He flew from California to Miami, drove that car the way it was without any air suspension, from Miami to here, fixed the air suspension, drove it back, flew back to California for less money than what the dealer would have charged them to
Oh
do.
my God.
So he gets a trip out of it.
So I got a trip out of it and saved money. $4,000 range that the dealer told him
Oh wow,
that it would
jeez.
cost to replace.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So anyway, it's just an example. We based our $20 an hour lift rate per hour because I said if a mechanic takes 1 hour to do the front brakes at $89.99, which was what we were charging. We just went up a little bit. For $90 an hour, he would have done it a work in 1 hour. If you took twice as long because you didn't know how much it was or how to do it, then you'd pay $40.
Yeah.
That's less than half of what the mechanic would have done. So even taking twice as long to do it, you would have saved money.
Yeah.
Anyway, so that's how I came up with the pricing scheme.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, you're definitely saving on labor doing it yourself and having the ability to like come into a shop.
All
you know,
the tools
like,
are free of charge, except for the air tools that you have to pay a small fee. But everything, all the other hand tools are free. We also have AC service. I don't know if you want to pan around and see the shop. I've got clients waiting for me, so I'll make this quick. But we do have AC machines to fix your AC. I've got a tire balancer. I've got a lathe, brake lathe. We got a tire changer. We have a 50-ton press. We have drill presses, cherry pickers on the far side, parts cleaners over there, all free of charge. Well, with the exception of these things, my mechanic has to do this.
Right.
Our insurance company did not allow it. Do-it-yourselfers to work anything beyond hand tools.
Okay.
So anything that takes a mechanic to do, we have to do it and charge it.
Okay.
We also have a spring compressor if you need to compress springs to take the struts out. But this is DitY Auto Repair. My son also does, if you can pan over to the color. He does what it's called liquid wrapping with Plasti Dip is one of the products that we use. Rail is another product. But this is just a sampling of all the colors that are being able to put on. And it's with a big spray gun, just like regular paint. You spray it on, but then you can peel it off. He's painted his Corvette maybe 6 or 7 times already. Every 8 months he'll have the itch.
Yeah.
He'll get enough money out of his income tax returns and buy new paint and repaint the car.
That's funny.
If you go to DitY Dips Facebook page or DitY Dips and Decals Facebook page or our DitY page, you can see his car in different ways, or other cars that he's painted.
Nice.
With liquid wrapping technology. And at some point in time, we plan to put a paint booth in here so that he can continue to expand that type of business.
Very cool.
We are connected to my Carfax. So every repair that we do here at the shop reports it over to Carfax, and that report goes into your permanent file of your vehicle's VIN number. So you know the historical, every time you do an oil change or repair, everything goes in there. We also provide credit funding for people that if the bill is too big, the car's broken too much, we provide that also. 100 days, same as cash.
Nice.
For it. We're a member of the Federated Car Care System, and that provides a 2-year, 24,000-mile warranty nationwide. If you're within 25-mile radius of the shop, you come to the shop and they will replace anything, or we will replace anything for free that is covered under warranty. If you're outside of that, we give you a little paper document that has a 1-800 number, and you call that 1-800 and they'll lead you to the nearest shop that is associated with a Federated Car Care System.
Very cool.
So it's nationwide. I took care of a lady that did a job in Miami. She came here, broke down, we fixed it. They paid me, she left, nothing charged to the lady. So it's a good deal. It's a good deal.
Very cool.
But anyway, that's in a nutshell. That's a do-it-yourself auto repair and DitY Auto Repair. DitY Auto Repair is a full service side of the house, and do-it-yourself obviously is where we allow people to come and rent the bays by the hour. Look us up on Facebook.
Yeah. I'll be sure to drop all the links down in the description below.
Okay, down below.
Yeah.
Like
you got to point down there so they know which way it is.
But anyway, thank you for coming up to the shop and using the shop.
Definitely. Thank you for letting us.
Okay, sure.
Appreciate it. All right. We're going to get to installing a lift.